Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your claim's success rate with Progressive. Begin by understanding the specifics of your claim. Gather all pertinent documentation related to your insurance policy. Review your coverage limits and specific terms with Progressive. Take detailed notes on the incident that prompted your claim. Be clear and concise when describing the incident. Use photos or videos to visually support your claim, if applicable. Create a timeline outlining the sequence of events related to the incident. Contact Progressive's claims department as soon as possible. File your claim promptly to ensure you stay within any deadlines. Be prepared to provide additional information if requested. Keep copies of all correspondence with Progressive. Follow up regularly on the status of your claim. Maintain a polite and professional tone in all communications. Ask questions if any part of the process is unclear to you. Document all interactions you have with Progressive representatives. Stay organized by keeping a dedicated folder for all claim-related materials. Consider utilizing Progressive's online tools for tracking your claim's progress. If your claim is denied, carefully review the reasons provided. Gather additional evidence if you believe your claim was incorrectly denied. Prepare a well-structured appeal, citing relevant policy clauses. Consult a legal professional if you need help with the appeal process. Remain persistent. Follow up after submitting your appeal to ensure it's under review. Be patient, as the claims process can take time. Understand that clear communication and thorough documentation are your best tools. By following these steps, you significantly enhance your chances of a successful claims experience with Progressive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.